Good morning, buenos dias mi gente. Today I got another box, and what did I get today? It is flat style Fender flares for 97 to 2006 TJs. All I did was take out two so you can look at them. I didn't want to unwrap the other two because, as you can see, they come well wrapped in plastic so they don't get messed up. This is made of, I want to say ABS hard plastic. This is one of the front fenders. You have to install the signal light yourself. That's the rear one. So, full instructions came with the package, front and back. It shouldn't take that long. But what I'm going to do is install them for you so you can see what it looks like and see how hard it is. This piece of rubber here is supposed to be for the edging of the fender, so when it meets the body, it doesn't scratch. The lights here, I gotta see if I can find maybe some clear ones, because you know, I like my Jeep to be all black. And then it comes with all the hardware to install the fenders. So I'm gonna go ahead and start this project up so we can see the results. As you guys know, this is what the fenders look like now, the original. But if you remember in one of my videos, if you go back and look, in the first time off-roading, this is what happened when the tire came up. So that's why I'm changing the fenders. Hopefully it'll give a more aggressive look. And you guys let me know in the comments. Share, like, subscribe, so I can give you more content. Okay, I went ahead and removed the screws. As you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These three, they look different because they are at the end of the fender. You have to stick your hand underneath so you can hold the back end. Probably hard to see, but you got them all lined up in here. The one up here in the corner, it's a pain in the butt to take out, but it's not really that bad. What you're going to need is a 1/8. So when you come in here, let me see, sorry about all this. The 1/8. You just come in, just want to make sure this is the right one. I don't want to give you the wrong information. Okay, you come in with the 1/8. Pull it off. You got this little black piece in the back. You're gonna have to hold it with your hand. That's what I did. Hold it, just unscrew it. They come right out. It's not too bad. Just make sure you get a chair like I did, so your back doesn't hurt. And then once it's all said and done, you just pull it off. As you can see, I gotta disconnect the light. Hold on. Might be another one in here. Yep. That's it. Light came out. I'm gonna clean this up real good before I try to even attempt to install the other one. But of course I'm going to read the instructions first. So here we are. Okay, this is what the fender flares, the front driver's side looks like. Top one is the original, bottom one is the aftermarket one I just purchased. I wanted to show you how to install these. I went ahead and pushed it in and now I can't get it out, but I'll show you in the other one. This one here is the light that comes with the package. And you need to put it in here. They want you to pre-drill some holes. You can see this is where it comes. So you want to take these wires. Try and do this with one hand. Stick them in the hole here. That's already pre-drilled. And you just take it from here and make sure these wires are straight so they don't break. Okay. What you do is just push it into this crevice, and that's it. It comes with the screws already. It's telling me to drill 1/16 holes and put the screws in, but I'm not going to do that. Why? Because I'm hard-headed. I'm just going to go ahead and screw it in with my cordless drill, nice and slow. Hopefully I don't crack them. Alright, sorry to show the drilling process, but I use this borer. Got from Harbor Freight. It's a great tool, the best thing I ever invested in. But went nice and slow. You gotta get this real small bit because these screws are tiny. And just as you're drilling down, don't put too much force because you don't want to crack the lens. And it goes in pretty easy. And I'm gonna go ahead and see what the next instructions are and get back with you. Okay, here's the flare. This is the inside of the flare. This is gonna be the part that's gonna be right up against the body. What they want you to do is you take these long weather stripping. If you look at it, in the inside, it has the red tape. They want the red tape to be on the inside of the flare. So in other words, when you open it up, it's got to be on the inside. I'm going to start from one end, pull the tape out a little bit. Sorry about this. There. Shoot. You don't want to pull it out too much because then it'll stick to itself. But go ahead and start from one end. Push it in. As you go, make sure you push it in and go with the flow. Stick them together. All right. There we go. Start from one end. Just keep going. As you go, just pull the tape. Take it all the way to the end. And you have to do that to all four. Alright, here's what the fender looks like on the car. Let me get a little bit back so you can see better. Compared to the back one, which will be changing soon. Takes a little time. And you have to put these washers in. I don't know if you can see. These screws with the washer and a nut on the back. Except for the first one. The first one you do not put a washer because it will not fit. You don't tighten them down. Put them all on there first. You got this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You put them all on here. Hand tighten. Align the fender. Make sure it looks good, and then you go ahead and tighten them. Don't over tighten where you're going to crack the plastic. And then I suggest you just come back maybe once a month if you got time and just recheck it. The next thing I got to do is fill a couple drops. More rain. This is the switch from the Jeep, the original one. It's saying it cut back, so I'm gonna go in here. I'm gonna cut some of this here, leave a little just in case for some reason I gotta put the old one back. I don't plan to, but you never know. Splice these wires. Take these wires, see which one is which, try them out first, and the package comes with some crimpers. By crimpers I mean, I don't know if you install lights or electrical stuff in your house, but it comes with these little plastic wire in connectors, I want to call them, these things. You just stick them in here, you turn them, and voila. I'm not putting them in here yet because I want to make sure the wires are right. I'm going to go in here and turn on the side marker light and see if it works. If not, the wires are wrong. Yep. They did not come on, meaning that the wires I crisscross. So this one's gonna go here, and this one will go over here. Let's try it again. Let's see what happens. Ta-da! We have lights. Alright, now what I'm going to do is take this little crimper and install it on here. I got it going this way, so meaning I'm going to put this in here and go the same direction. Hopefully this thing will hold. I don't know how good this thing is. I'd be better off using black tape. This is not gonna work. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I have some heat shrinks, and that's what I'm gonna use on there with a heat gun. Let me go ahead and do that, and I'll be back. Okay, as you can see, I heat shrinked the wires. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try to find a place for them where they're out of the way. Heat shrinking is actually the easiest thing to do if you have it. If not, I recommend you go buy some. You can get it done pretty easy. So once I put this away in here, you don't have to worry about the wires being exposed anywhere or water, anything like that. Voila. Now, what I do is I find a way to hide them up underneath the fender. Well, somewhere on here. There we go. Hopefully it doesn't come out. If it does, I'll keep an eye on it. And that's it. Now, wires are all put away. Fender is on. And now I just have to go and work on the rear fender. Well, like I said before, we got done with the front one. Now we're working on the rear one. I'm not going to show you the whole process because it's the same as the front. The only thing is you don't have to put any lights on it. And when we get done there, the only thing I don't like is this piece here, the guard. Can't be put back on. The fender's a little bit too far back. If you want to put it on, you got to drill new holes, which I'm not going to do that. I might just put a rocker panel, or take it to the body shop and have them fill in the holes and repaint that part. I'll see when the time comes. I'll let you guys know what I decide. I'll be back with the finished results. Alright, let me give you a front view. If you look at the right side, you'll see the new fender. The left side is the older fender. Here's the old one. And there's a new one. Come around the side. There's the front and the rear. Gives it a new aggressive, nicer look. I think it does. This is what it looks like from side. So it gives a nice little higher look to it. Here's a side kind of angle on it, and then of course from the rear, let's see here, nice split coming out. Third back, but like I said, this is what really it looks like. I think it looks pretty nice. I like it. Like, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think. And I'll see you on the next one. I'm having more parts come in, so there'll be more videos uploaded. Alright, everyone, have a good one.